Hey guys, Mamie here, and I am just going to do a quick haul video. Hobby Lobby right now is having their clearance event, and a lot of their products are like 75% off, especially in their paper crafting section. So I picked up a bunch of stuff, just various items, so I just wanted to share them with you guys. And so I'm going to show you some of the prices as well, because in case you want to pick them up yourself, you can see how much they're running for. But I went ahead and got as many of the colors as I could of this distress paint, and they're $1 a piece. So your store is going to probably have some different colors, but these are the colors that were available at my store. If you want to know exactly what colors they were, you can comment below and I'll let you know. Sorry about that. I hit my little tripod there. I got some washi tape here. This one has some donuts and some sprinkles. I love donuts, and I always need some like birthday washi tape, so didn't go crazy on it. And I only got one thing of washi, so this one was $1. I got this really beautiful flower here. Let me see, what's the name of it? Antique Rose. And it's just really, really beautiful. I think this would be great for watercoloring and just for all kinds of different coloring. And so it was $2.75 on clearance, and I can't wait to use this. It's by Hero Arts. And so you guys know I have a baby shower coming up, so I wanted to get a couple more like little decorations and stuff for the baby shower. And if I don't use it for the baby shower, I'm sure I can hang it up in my craft room or something. So I got these little, I don't even know what they're called, like paper fans or something. They go all the way around. These were $1.49. And I got some envelopes here. These are vellum envelopes with like some gold trim or gold pattern design all over them. And I love vellum envelopes. I just think they're so pretty. So I picked that up because it was just $1, and it comes with 12 of them in here. Now to jump over to some other goodies. Let's see here. I got this little set. It comes with a bunch of little emojis on the inside, like die cut emojis. It also says smile. It also has some other emojis that are inside here. Let me just take it out real quick so we can take a look at it. It was only $2.75, so I was like, surely I'll use it at least once or twice. And so it has all these different emojis on it, really cute. And it looks like, I don't know, like if that's cotton candy or something. And it has a little poop and a little ghost, and it says, it's your birthday. I was like, I can't even read what that says. And then this says smile, and then it also comes with this embossing folder, but also with a die embedded in it so that it will cut and emboss, and you can make a shaker card out of it. So I guess that was kind of the idea behind it, was to use it as a shaker card. And then I have these two other dies that I picked up. This one that says Hola. And my family is from Spain. Not all my family. Half my family is from Spain. So I definitely needed this one for sending cards or just making cards in general in a different language. So I got that. And I got this one that says thanks. And it has little flowers. It has all kinds of little extra goodies in it too. And this one was $1.75. So it's like I couldn't pass it up, right? So here you can see it comes with like the little flowers, the intricate flowers and the cutout, and you can make just a little bouquet if you want. But I was like, oh, I can get this little thanks die in that smaller size, because you can use that for all kinds of things. And so I'll just put that right there. So this one was $1.75, and this one was $1.75. So very, very cheap as far as dies are concerned. I picked up a couple of, they have a bunch of Tim Holtz stuff on clearance, as you saw the paint earlier, but it also has some of these cardstock. So I got the Distressed Mixed Media Heavy Cardstock for $1.50, and so that's really great. Can't wait to start using that. And then I got the wood grain cardstock as well. It's really nice, and you can do different kind of techniques on top of it and then have that wood grain still behind it. So I thought that would be pretty cool. I also got these banners here, or just one pack of banners for the baby shower that I have coming up for $1.75. And then finally, I got, there's all kinds of planner stuff that is on clearance right now too. So these, this big pack of, this one has 720 pieces, is normally $20. I got it for $5. That was kind of one of the more expensive things, but I love to have these stickers for my planner. And it's great because it has like the focal point like you can have your focal point, and then you can have these little ones as well, and it comes in all the different colors. So this one's the rainbow, so you can pick whatever kind of color theme you're going for that week or whatever. So I picked that up, thought that would be really great. And then my kiddo plays soccer, and this gives you all of the stickers for tournaments or games or practices that are coming up. And so I got that for $1.25, and then I got this Life Organized. This is by Paper House, by the way. They're called Life Organized. Let's see here. This one is I'm not really sure. Anyway, this is another one by them, and it just has all kinds of really pretty florals and different pretty colors, and the gold foil is always pretty. So $1.25 for that. And so this is all I got from Hobby Lobby. But, well, actually I got some flowers and stuff, but those weren't on clearance, so I'm not going to show those. But I also got a Big Shot from Tuesday Morning, so I will show that. Let me go get it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the Big Shot, but I also forgot to show you guys I got these little circular things by Paper Studio. Chip decor is what they're called. They were $1 a piece, and they're round. I figured that they would be perfect for some kind of project. I usually try not to keep too much stuff that I'll have to hold on to. Try to buy things like project oriented, you know, but sometimes whenever it's a really good deal, I'll just kind of splurge and get it anyway. So this is what I got from Tuesday Morning. They have the Sizzix, the original shape cutting and embossing system. This is the Big Shot. Let me kind of move it up a little bit here. So this is the Big Shot, and this is what it looks like, and it was $49.99, and it comes with, let's see if you can see down here at the bottom, comes with the Big Shot machine, one pair of standard cutting plates, one standard platform, and one thin die adapter. So comes with all kinds of great stuff in it. If you want to see an unboxing, just let me know. Comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.